Did Street Fighter releases a new game this year? June 27, 2025. Exciting news for gaming enthusiasts. The question on many players' minds today is whether a new Street Fighter game has hit the shelves this year. As we approach mid to 0 to 5, fans are eager for updates. If you are a Street Fighter fan or just curious about the latest in fighting games, you are in the right place. As of June 27, 2025, no new standalone Street Fighter game has been released this year. However, the popular Street Fighter 6 continues to thrive with fresh content. This game, which launched earlier, is still making waves in the gaming community. This year, Street Fighter 6 is rolling out a significant update known as the Year 3 update. One of the most exciting aspects of this update is the introduction of the character Sagat. Players can look forward to his arrival on August 5, 2025. In addition to Sagat, players will also see other characters joining the roster. See Viper, Alex, and Ingrid are set to make their return as well. This update promises new costumes and music tracks to keep the game feeling fresh. For Nintendo fans, there is good news. The Year 3 update, including Sagat's releases, will be available on the Nintendo Switch too. This means that players on this platform will not miss out on the new content. Street Fighter 6 will also be accessible on PlayStation 4, PlayStation 5, Xbox Series X and S, and personal computers. This broad availability ensures that many players can enjoy the latest updates without needing to purchase a brand new game. The update will introduce cross-play support, allowing players on different platforms to compete against each other. This feature is a game changer for the community, making it easier to connect with friends. Additionally, players can expect new in-game content, including the Sagat Arrives Fighting Pass and swimwear outfits for several characters. These additions will launch simultaneously with Sagat, adding even more excitement for fans. While there may not be a brand new Street Fighter game this year, Street Fighter 6 is expanding with fresh content and characters. The support for the latest Nintendo hardware ensures that fans can continue to enjoy the franchise. Keep an eye out for the Year 3 update and get ready to welcome Sagat back into the ring.